Hey Plant Pals, Mike Kindergartner, and I'm just doing a quick update on some of the things I'm growing inside. It's cold and rainy out, so I figured it'd be a perfect time to kind of explore some of my indoor grows. This is a Fresno pepper plant, and it's got a few little baby peppers trying to grow, tons of flowers. I'll update you more when it actually starts producing bigger peppers. These usually take a while to get going. Once they get going, they're really prolific. These are my red heirloom cherry tomatoes that are grown in the deep water culture tub. As you can see, they're huge now. They're just in a couple of just in a week or so since I last updated. They're huge, which is awesome. And I got rid of, well, I still have it. It's just not directly underneath the grow light. The 2-year-old tomato plant that was dying. I could spend effort and energy on saving it, babying it and washing the roots and all kinds of, things like that. But I decided why bother? I've got 12 of these things growing right now. So I'm not going to. I'm just going to let nature take its course. If it bounces back on its own, great. If not, yeah, so be it. Here is just a basil cutting I threw in here. These are more peppers in the back, the jalapenos. This is a tomato plant. This, I think, is amaranth or something. I just threw in there because I'm chaotic and just do weird stuff. I promised I wasn't going to, but I did it anyway. These are the tomato cuttings that I rooted from the bonsai plant. They're really taking off. Yeah, so just a quick update. Oh, and I might as well, since I'm next to it, I might as well show how big the Zimu with the orange spice plants are huge. And got this little runty one here. But, yeah, that's the fun of hydroponics is, look how fast and huge these ones have grown in a month or whatever. And then probably another month I might be getting peppers for, so 3 months from seed to harvest is pretty cool. Can't complain. All right. That's the updates I've got. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have a great day.